Hello everyone, welcome to Vedic Math session. First, we'll be taking how to find squares of number really fast, starting with the numbers which are ending with 5. If a number is ending with 5, how to find its square? So for example, if I am interested in 45 square, the number answer will always end up with 25. That's 5 square is 25. And before that, the digits will be decided by the number 4 in this case. You'll have to multiply 4 with the next number 5, right? So 4 into 5, that's going to decide the first two digits. This is going to be 20 and my answer is 2025. Let's take one more number in here. If I'm interested in the square of 85, now the last two digits, those are 5 square, which is 25, and the digits before that, these digits will be based on this number, right? 8 and 8 is followed by 9. So 8 nines are 72. So first two number digits will be 72 and my answer is 7225, right? One more example I'm taking here. So if I'm interested in 95 square, 95 square will be doing in two steps. First step, it's saying the last two digits are same as of 5 square, which is 25, and the first two digits, those will be dependent on this digit, and this will be 9 into 10, right? जो भी आपकी 10th digit होगी उससे next digit you'll have to take and multiply them, and my answer is 9025. That's my answer. If I'll take one more example here, let's take a bigger number. So if I'm interested in 205 square, approach will be same. First is your 5 square, and in this case before 5 you'll take the digits as 20 followed by next number, that is 21, and my answer is this is 42025. That's my answer, 42025, right? Valid for all numbers. Whatever it's, you can take bigger numbers, you'll have to just multiply the digits before that with the next digit. So if I'll take another bigger number, let's say if I'm interested in 9995 square, right? So my answer will be, I'm interested, the first two digits are based on 5 square, and then the starting numbers will be 999 for multiplied with the next number, that is 1000. So this is 999,000,25. This is my answer, right? So this is all number ending with 5. Now let's take the squares of number which are close to 100 or 1000 or 10,000. How to find those square? Now before going further, you should know the first square of first 25 numbers by heart, right? If you know the square of first 25 numbers by heart, then you can find square of first 125 number within seconds. Okay, let's see. So I've divided into few categories. First is numbers more than 100. So if the number is 100, 125, okay, up to 125, how to find the squares? So if the number is, let's say, 107 square, okay, so 107 100 base 100 से कितना बड़ा है? That is 7 bigger. So this will again be divided into two parts. Right side will be 7 square, right? Two digits will be there, and that will be of 7 square. So these are two digits. So this is 49. Before that, the digits in this case will be 100 and 107 plus 7. So that is 114. So square 107 square is 11449. So one more example. If I'm interested in 108 square, right? So you have got divided in these two parts. So first here, this is your 8 square, and this part is 108 plus 8. So my answer is 116 4. That's my answer. So let's take a slightly bigger number. If I'm interested in 113 square, so again in two parts. So beta यहाँ पर you should be aware of 13 square. If you don't know 13 square, sorry, you can't find 113 square so easily, right? But if you know 13 square, 13 square is 169. So this is 69 is here and 1 will get carry forward, right? So what is 113 plus 126? 113 plus 13 is 126. So my answer is 12769. That's my answer. Here, this is 113 plus 13 is what we are doing in this case. Let's take one more example with higher numbers. So if I'm interested in 117 square, I'm going to do it in two parts, the rightmost and the leftmost. Leftmost will be 117 plus 17, so that is 134, and the rightmost is 17 square, right? So 134, and now this 17 square, you have got only two digits to be put there, right? Because the base is 100, so only two digits will come on the right side. 17 square is 289. So 89 is coming here, but this 2, it gets carry forward. And my answer is 13689. Last example in this, if I'm interested in 123 square, so you should be aware of what is 23 square. And that's why first 25 squares are very important. So this is last digits. This is coming from 23 square and this is coming from 123 plus 23, right? Because it's 23 more than 100. So my answer is 146. 23 square is 529. So 29 and 5 is carried forward. So this will be 15129. That's 123 square. Okay. Now we are taking the next set of numbers which are more than 1000 or 10,000. तो आपने बेटा बेस 100 में आपने 2 डिजिट्स ली थी, बेस 1000 में आप राइट साइड में 3 डिजिट्स लेंगे एंड 10,000 में 4 डिजिट्स लेंगे. ठीक है. इफ आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन 1016 square, so 1016 square, you'll have numbers like this, leftmost side and rightmost side, because base is 1000, this is 16 more than 1000, so 3 digits will come, right? Rightmost side will be guided by 16 square and leftmost side will be 1016 plus 16. So 16 square is 256, so this is 256, and 106 plus this is 1032. So my answer is 1032256. So once you know what's the approach is there, you can do it directly in a single line without doing any multiplication. So if the number is, let's say 10012, right? Now in this case, the base will become 10,000, right? Base will be 10,000. When base is 10,000, that means it will have 4 digits will be there, right? So हमारा जो number होगा, our number will be 10012 square is some number followed by 4 digits. This 4 digits will be guided by 12 square. These 4 digits are guided by 12 square, and before that is 10,012 plus 12. So my answer here is 10,024, and 12 square is 144. So 0144. So this square is 100240144. This was finding squares for number which are more than 100 or more than 1000 or more than 10,000. Similar, very similar approaches if you are taking number less than 100 or less than 1000. right? Let's see a number. If I'm interested in 97 square. So before you were seeing कि कोई number 100 से कितना बड़ा है, now you'll see वो 100 से कितना छोटा number है, ठीक है? Rest approach will be same. This is divided into two parts. 100 base है तो बेटा right side में 2 digits आएंगी. These 2 digits will be guided by not 7, but ये 100 से कितना छोटा है, that is what's going to guide. ठीक है? So this you can write. This you can say is 100 plus 3, right? So this is 3 square, and this is 103 plus 3. So my answer is 10609. So my answer is 10609, right? Oops, sorry. This is 100 minus 3. So this is 100 minus 3. So this thing is 97 minus 3. And my answer is 9409. 9409. Okay, let's take one more number. If I'm interested in what is 93 square. So 93 square is 93 is 100 minus 7. Now this is in two parts again. Rightmost side is guided by 7 square. Leftmost side is 93 minus 7. ठीक है? 93 100 से 7 छोटा था तो उसको 7 और सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. अगर हमें 107 स्क्वायर निकालना होता तो 107 100 से 7 ज्यादा था तो we were adding 7. Now this is your 93 minus 7 is 86. 7 square is 49 and your answer is 8649. Right? One more number. If I'm interested in, let's say 83 square. So 83 square, again it will be in two parts. We'll write 83 as 100 minus 17. So these two parts is 17 square and 83 minus 17. Right? 17 square is 289. Out of that, 2 will get carry forward. 89 will come here. 83 minus 17, that's 66. So you'll have, this number is 66. And when you solve it, you'll get 6889. That's my answer. So if a number is less than 1000 or 10,000, exactly same. Only thing is rightmost digits instead of 2 will become 3 or 4. So if I'm interested in 999 square, so this will be in two parts. That's leftmost part and rightmost will be 3 digits. 999, this is 1000 minus 1. So this part is guided by 1 square and this part is 999 minus 1. So my answer will be 998001. That's my square, right? If I'll take some bigger number, I'm interested in 999 square, right? Again, this will be in two parts. Leftmost and rightmost will be in 5 digits. Why 5 digits? Because now the base is 1 lakh with 5 zeros. So minus 11. So this 5 digits will be 11 square and leftmost this will be guided by 99989 minus 11. Original number minus whatever it is deficient from 100. So my answer is 99978. 121 is here and remaining digits are 00. That's the square of 99989 square. This is what we have done is numbers which are close to 100. Let's take the numbers, square of numbers which are close to 50. Very similar approach, only one small change is here. Let's see on this. So if I'm interested in 54 square, right? Again, this will be, you'll be getting two parts, leftmost and rightmost. This 54, you will write as 50 plus 4. Right side, this is 4 square. only this left part है ना, this change is here in the left part. Instead of before, पहले आप क्या कर रहे थे, 54 में 4 ऐड कर रहे थे, अब आप 25 में 4 ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है। फॉर ऑल नंबर्स आप 25 में ऐड करेंगे या 25 में सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। नो मोर एडिंग और सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम द सेम नंबर. So this answer is 2916. So this is 2916. Right? If we'll take one more number here, let's say if I'm interested in 62 square. Right? So 62 square again in two parts. One is leftmost and then is right two digits. 62 I'm writing down as 50 plus 12. So rightmost is 12 square and left is 25 plus 12. No more 62 plus 12, right? So this is 37 and this is 144. So one get carried forward. So this is 3844. That's a square. Let's take last number in this. I'm interested in 74 square. 74 square again in two parts, left and right one. 74, if you'll see, this is 50 plus 24. So this is from 24 square, and this left one, this is your 25 plus 24, and your answer here will be 49. 24 square is 576. That's why you should know the squares till 25. So your answer is 5476. Okay, next one is numbers which are more than 500 or more than 5000. Now the catch is, instead of adding in number 25, you will add in 250 or 2500. So if I'm interested in 514 square, right? So this answer will be in two parts. One, and now before 50 के लिए 2 digits थी, 500 base होगा तो 3 digits आएंगी, ठीक है। So this is basically 500 plus 14. So this rightmost will be guided by 14 square. Left one, this will be your 250 plus whatever extra is there, that is 14 is there. So my answer in this case will be 264, and 14 square is 196. That's my answer, right? If I'll take one more number, let's say I'm interested in 50022 square. So बेटा यहाँ पर जो है हमारे पास एक लेफ्ट मोस्ट का पार्ट और राइट मोस्ट में 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 digits will be there. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 22 more is there. So 22 square will be guiding this 5 digits, and this part will be 25000 plus whatever extra is there, that is 22 is there. So my answer will be, this is 25022 and 22 square is 484. So 00484. That's my answer. लेस के केस में बेटा आपको लेस करना है 25 में से, रेस्ट ऑल रिमेन सेम. सो 49 स्क्वायर is leftmost and right will be 2 digits. So this is 50 minus 1. So this will be guided by 1 square, and this will be 25 minus 1. So your answer is 2401. If I'm interested in, let's say, 38 square. So 38 square again, left and right will be 2 digits. This is 50 minus 12. So this is guided by 12 square, and this is 25 minus 12. Now 25 minus 12 is 13, and this is 144. My answer is 1444. That's my answer. Number less than 500. So subtracting will be done from 250 instead of 50. So what is square of 498 square? Right? So leftmost digit and right will be 3 digits. I'll write this as 500 minus 2. So this will be guided by 2 square, and this part will be guided by 250 -2। ठीक है, 500 है तो 250 में से माइनस कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, सो माय आंसर इज 248 and 2 square is 4. So my answer is 248004. Last topic in this is, if you have to find squares of numbers which are closer to the multiple of 100, अगर 100 के multiple के काफी close हैं, then how to find square of those numbers? Okay, if I'm taking a number here, let's say I'm interested in square of 197 square, right? So any number which is closer to multiple of hundreds. So the way you can do it is, this is going to be product of two numbers plus a third number, right? This is the format. Now this product is including the numbers which are multiple of 100, so easy to find. Let's see here, this is 200 minus 3. So the number which will come here, this will be 197 minus 3 and 197 plus 3, and add what you're going to do is 3 square, right? So 197 बेटा 200 से 3 कम है, तो आप 3 और सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, that is 194, and आप 197 में 3 ऐड करेंगे, that is 200 plus 3 square which is 9, right? Now this multiplication is way easier, है ना? ये जो multiplication है बेटा, this is way easier than finding the multiplying 197 by 197. So this becomes your 3880 and 9 add करेंगे, that is 9. Let's take this concept again. If I'm interested in square of, let's say 413 square, right? So my answer is going to be product of two numbers plus sum of third number, and this is going to be 413 is 13 more. So you will first subtract 13. So 413 minus 13. So this is 413 minus 13, and this is 413 plus 13, and this is going to be 13 square. Okay, let's see here. So what I'm getting here is 400 into 426 plus 13 square, that is 169. So this is going to be 4 into 426 is easy to calculate. So that is going to be 1704 and 00. You are going to add 169 in that. So my answer is 170569. That's 413 square. Okay, one more last number in this to practice. That is, if I'm interested in 209 square. So 209 something into something plus some number, right? These numbers are going to be decided by how much bigger or smaller this is. So now this 9 is what is playing an importance. So 209 minus 9, that is 200. 209 plus 9, that is 218. And this is from 9 square, which is 81. So my answer in this case is 436, 81. That's the square of 209 square. Okay, last topic in this is find square of 3-digit numbers, and nothing specific is, this holds true for all the 3-digit numbers. Let's take an example here. I am interested in 546 square, right? So 546 square, you will first write down, let me take here 546. So you first take 6 square, then 4 square, then 5 square, right? So this is going to be, so 6 square is 36, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, right? After that, you take the middle number, 4 6 are 24. Now you leave the blank. Okay? First you leave the blank. You leave one blank here, one blank here. And now you do the multiplications again. So 4 6 are 24 and twice of that, that is 48. 4 5 are 20, twice of that, that is 40. And then the last one will be these two numbers, that is 5 6 are 30, right? But before that again you leave the blank, you have to write them in the center only. So that number is 30, and then you add them, you'll get your answer. This is 6 1 and 1, and then 1 carry forward. This is 5 9 2. This is your answer for 546 square. Oops, we forgot to do the twice, right? When you are multiplying, right? 5 fours are 30 and twice of 30 is 60. And this is 298116. Let's take the last example for this session. So if I'm interested in finding, let's say 421 square, 421 square. So let's take these numbers 4, 2, and 1. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and 4 square is 16. Right? Below that, 2 ones are and 2 fours are. 2 ones are is 2, and twice of that, that is 4. 2 fours are is 8, and twice of that, that is 16. And the last one is 1 forza. 1 forza is 4, and twice of that, that is 8. Right? You add them to get your answer. This is 142771. So 421 square is 177241. I hope you enjoyed the session. So do press the like button, and for the next videos, you can subscribe the channel, and next video will be posted shortly on Vedic Maths. Okay, thanks for time.